A very good afternoon to everyone. In our previous lab, we have finished three programs, right? That first to just print hello world. Second program that was all about that you are multiplying successively with 2 8 times and what result you are getting that we are observing. And third program that was about the the text calculation from dollar to rupees and the paisa, right? This is what we have finished. Now, I hope my screen is visible. Is it so? The screen is visible to you guys? That's what I'm asking. Yeah, okay, fine. So here we are having the fourth programs here you need to use that both of the term that command line argument as well as scanner class. Both the way you will do this program, write a program that will calculate percentage marks of the student if the marks of 6 subjects are given. But here the 6 subjects marks we are taking from user, right? We are not giving it static. So please do this program by using the command line argument as well as by the scanner class. I hope this is clear. Yes or no? Because I'm not getting your messages, right? So I hope I'm audible and you will be able to do this program by your own. What you need to do, you just need to take 6 different integer variables like marks, right? M1 is equals to integer dot parse integer, and you are taking args of 0 same way, then args of 1 2 and so on, right? Once you will be having all the marks out of 100, once you will be having those marks, right, you will just make the total and you will divide by that 6.0 and I hope we are doing this program and the definition is clear to you guys. Yes or no? I'll again write in the chat for the latecomers. Messages are even not been delivered. God. Just paste it. Fine. In the same program, if you have done with the command line argument, you have to implement via scanner class. Minor changes are there, else everything is same. Okay. You can respond in chat that you are getting the definition, we are working on it, because I really don't know what you guys are doing, right? Viraj, Darshan, Nancy, Shivanand, Rahil, Chirag, I hope you are working on it and I'm connected to you. Yeah, okay, fine. Please do it. So I hope you are getting output. Yes or no? Everyone, have you done? You're sleeping or awaken? And please respond. Maybe due to network I'm getting late response, but at least write something. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So it's done with both the methods. In scanner class, what you need to do here, instead of this line, what you will be having, first you will create the scanner class object. So say suppose scanner s equals to new scanner, and you are taking the input from system dot in, right? So that you are writing. After that, here whenever you are taking the input, for that you can even print over here then system.out.println that please enter marks and on all marks for 6 subjects. You have to write exactly in elaborated way, right? I'm just right now writing in short. So here a very first mark, when you will take into integer m1 is equals to s dot whatsoever the scanner object you have taken, that dot method. If I'll write over here input, we'll write over here input, obviously, right? So input dot next int. This is the method. Same way for M2, M3, M4, 5, and 6. Right? That's it. That is only the change if you are using scanner class. Otherwise, everything will remain same. And here you need to import the package import java.util.scanner. This is what you need to import. Okay? And then it will work. I hope this thing is clear. Did I ask for screen sharing? If you have done, then and only then say yes, otherwise not. And many of you are not even responding. So what I need to understand for their status? Yes, Priyansh, Ashish, all, right? Many of you are not responding. Okay, so via both the methods you have done this. Is it so? So I'll give you the next definition. That is why I'm asking. Still I'm not getting your response, huh?
Ma'am, which two methods?
One is with the command line argument and one is with the scanner class, dear. That's what I said. Scanner class is different and the command line argument, that would be different. You can take the input via these two different methods. That's what I said. Right? So please finish it. Right? And whosoever have done it, for them another definition. And for this you need to search this math.random method in Java. Search this on Google and let me know what is here in this method. So that is your task. Math.random. What it will do, what is the syntax for it, just let me know by searching this. Yes, Rahil, it will return any random value between 0.0 to 1.0. Right? That what the random function will do. But you want some values in some range, right? Say suppose I want some of the random numbers between 1 to 100. So wherever my range is specific, at that time what I need to do, that you need to search. You all, huh? I'm saying this to all. Nobody is responding about math.random function. So you haven't searched. Should I take a personal name and should I ask you? Or voluntarily you will answer? Hmm? Yes, Priyansh, Chirag, Shubh. Let me know what you searched. Bhavya, Dev, Harshad. You all are sleeping, huh? Nancy, Ashish, Palak, Rajkumar. See, I won't give you attendance after this. If you are not saying anything, I won't give you attendance. If you don't know anything, what I'm giving you to search, then and only then you will be able to perform this program. Because here in the switch case, whatsoever the numbers are has been generated, that would be via this random choice. Can you see this random choice, right? That is the random class, dear. Okay, fine. Java.language.math.random, what you are saying, that package is the static package. So by default, if you are not writing anything into any of the program, say suppose this is only the program, if we are not using scanner, we are not used to write any of the package here. Right? So that is the static package. By default, it will be there. And if you wish to use the random class, you have to check that random class. That is again another method. But right now you need to check about math.random function and how you can apply the range. That what I've asked. Otherwise you will get 0 to 1, any randomly generated number between this. So what you need to write, because you are going to share your screens, okay? Within next 5 minutes you are going to share your screen, right? And then and only then I'll mark the present. Okay, otherwise you guys are sleeping, I know, right? So if you haven't started yet, please start doing it. After 5 minutes you are going to share the screen. Fine. Here I'm giving you the hint. What you need to do is, here you are taking one class, you are taking public static void main, and now here you are taking one integer choice. This choice will be generated randomly, right? Based on, first I'm not doing that typecasting, I'll show you one by one. You are using this math.random function. If you are only using this, it will generate the number which will be in double. Okay, but I want to store that number into integer. So what I need to do, I need to do typecasting. So that what I'm doing. After that, this math.random will generate between 0 to 1. So you will always get either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1. But I want some choices like either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So if you want that range, you have to multiply that range with this number. So math.random multiplication with 5, that will give you the number between 0 to 5. I hope you are getting this thing, yes or no?
Yeah.
And based on this, you are making switch case, right? So switch ch, and then you will give the case. Now here also, that is also possible that you can generate the numbers between 1 to 6. So you need to start your case from 1. But here the case is different. We are having numbers between 0 to 5, right? So you have to write, or you have to start your case with 0. If you don't want to do this, then there is another syntax, that max minus mean, and then you have to multiply with the range and then plus 1, that what you are doing, or plus minimum, that what you are doing. But don't make it so complex. Instead of that, start your cases with 0. Okay, and simply print that in today's breakfast you are having scrambled eggs or waffles or fruits or salad or something, whatever the options are given into the definition. That you need to write simple SOP kind of statement. You will write here, finish it, break it, another case, right? So the program is so easy. You just need to understand about this math.random. That's it. So please finish it, and then you are going to share the screen.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahel.
ma'am, it will show an output in a random manner, yeah?
Yeah, yes. So that is only the name itself,
Okay.
say random function. It will generate in between this range.
Okay, okay. So
In
actually I got.
Yeah. Every time you will get something new. Whenever you will run this program, every time you will get something new.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, I
Just
got it.
keep running this program again and again, you will get the new numbers, which is
Yes,
randomly
yes.
generated.
Yes.
So who will share the screen first? Who is done with all three programs? Actually two programs, but with two different ways. So we are having total three programs, right? So who is going to share first? Ayush Trivedi. Will you share your screen? Ayush, quickly answer. Yeah. So you can share your screen.
Ma'am, screen is visible?
Um, Not yet, Ayush. Not at least at my side.
Ma'am, this is first program.
Okay, just wait for a while.
Yes, ma'am.
Still taking some time to translate. What about the others? Others are getting the screen of Ayush. If I'm only not getting, then I need to use the meet and then rejoin. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am, we are getting.
Okay, fine. So I'll just rejoin it. Please stay there. Yes, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Um, the screen is still not visible to me. Maybe whatsoever the problem is. I really don't know. It's fine. Fine. Next, Chirag.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Yes, 1 second.
Yeah.
Screen visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it's visible. Okay. See, here you have used the random class. What I said, you have to use math.random function. Whatever you are getting from the net, I don't want to see, huh?
No, ma'am, it is still remaining as I was writing.
But no, you don't have to create that random class, no dear. You don't have to create
Okay, ma'am.
of the random class.
Okay, ma'am.
You need one package, right? That what you need to import, that you have to think, or maybe that you have learned whatever I said to search on Google, right?
Okay.
Okay, no worries. And in the previous program,
Yes, ma'am.
uh, here also you have used that array and all, right? So you are comfortable with it, with the array?
No, ma'am, this one I have Googled it. The other one I was trying.
Only the case. That is only the case. Please do it by your own. I mean, why you guys are doing this? It's so easy. I mean, because see, these are the initial programs, right? And I don't want to make you those programs so complex. So I'm showing you the best way. Though you can use the for loop over there, and you can directly take one for loop, and you will have that args of I. Here this program is with the use of scanner class, right? But in the command line, in that way, you can directly use that args of I. So every time it will take the values args of 0, then 1, then 2, and so on, by just writing one line into for loop. But I'm not showing you that code because I don't want to make it so complex. It's only your second lab actually, right? So first do some very basic programs and don't Google the programs. Whatever you need to do on the Google, that what I'm saying, I'm directing you, know, that please do this and that.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
why
Next
you
time we'll
guys
take care.
not making in 1 hour only 2 programs? And though I'm showing you half of the code, then also, come on, half of the code I'm already showing you, then was it so hard? Is it so? Fine, you can unshare your screen. Dave,
Okay,
what
ma'am.
about
Next time
you?
we'll take care.
Yeah. Please do it by your own, then and only then you will get to know. Otherwise, I really don't mind whatever you will do. Fine. But this is for you guys, not for me. Yes, Dave, Kenyaman, you can join. You can share your screen.
हाँ मैडम बट द एरर આવે છે થોડી થોડી.
So I'll solve it.
हाँ
I'm
ઓકે
for
વેઇટ.
that only here.
મેમ થયું?
Yeah.
મેડમ આ અહીંયા ફંક નથી આવતું.
क्या नहीं आ रहा भाई देव?
मैडम इसमें वो एंटर कर रहे तो डायरेक्ट
You just show me your screen, no? हाँ जी. What is the problem?
मैडम वही पता नहीं चल रहा.
वही पता नहीं चल रहा है. If you are just simply copying the program from the Google, that random generator, you are not even changing the name of the object where you are taking it from the random class. You guys are so dumbo. If you are copying, then also you are not, I mean, that much of smart to do that work. Come on. तो इसमें क्या नहीं हो रहा?
मैडम रन कर रहे तो सिर्फ एंटर का ऑप्शन ही आ रहा है.
क्या क्या एंटर का ऑप्शन आ रहा है?
देखो
एरर लोड विद द क्लास में. Documents. This is maybe the problem with your online compiler, maybe, right? Otherwise, the program is correct.
ओके मैम. Can I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can, because you haven't made any of the program. You were just sleeping. Is it so, Dev?
No ma'am.
Then why you are not making the programs and you are Googling it? Fine. What about Harshad? See, from the next time you are making all the programs, huh? And at the very
Sure
next
ma'am, I will.
ask for those programs first, and then only I'll allow you to enter in the lab. Dev, then Chirag, you, everybody.
Okay ma'am.
Harshad, what about you? Harshad Dave, are you listening me? Fine, you don't want attendance, right? What about Jay? And once I already said that the random class is something different and this random method is something different, then also why you guys are having this program only with the random class? Because that is available on Google. That is why.
Hello, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nancy.
Ma'am, can you explain a command line argument once again?
Dear, that I already explained in the theory session as well as in another
just
session,
once.
very next session too, right? So you can please
Tiny
watch.
bit.
Yes, Nancy, you can watch those videos again because my throat
Ma'am,
is.
actually, okay, ma'am, it's fine. I'll watch it. But me and Palak were having some issues in that program,
You
so
can
that's
share
why.
your screen, so you can share your screen. I'll solve that, but I cannot explain the whole concept again. That's what I'm saying. So you can share your screen.
Okay, ma'am, it's fine. I'll watch it first, and then I'll try. Then, if I have problem, I'll consult you.
Fine. Okay. What about you, Jay? You are replying. Harshad Dave, you are not replying. Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Done with your program?
Yes, I've done.
Great, great, Jay. Fine. No need to share the screen. Ashish,
Okay.
what about you? Ashish Oja. You can unmute yourself and answer. Ashish. Done? You even don't want the attendance. What about you, Palak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Palak. Done?
Ma'am, that percentage program I'm not able to do with that first method. I've done it with scanner.
Okay. And the second program?
Yes, that is done.
Hmm?
Done, ma'am.
With the random class or random function?
Math.random function. which you have shown.
Okay, fine. Priyansh, what about you? Priyansh Gandhi,
Yes, done.
what about you? Program done?
Done. Yes.
कहाँ से?
नहीं नहीं मैम, वो रैंडम वो परसेंटेज वाले में थोड़ा नहीं हुआ, बट वो योगर्ट वाला एग वाला हो गया है.
Because that was available and this was not available. That is why.
नो नो, नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
Then,
आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट स्क्रीन.
no, it's okay, fine. If you have done,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम.
that is fine. Yes.
मैडम नेक्स्ट लैब में जो करने का मीन्स प्रोजेक्ट प्रोग्राम करने करके आने का है वो कौन सा करके यही करके आने का है.
हाँ जी.
ओके मैम.
Fine. Rajkumar Vasania,
यस मैम.
what you did?
मैम दूसरा वाला है नहीं हुआ, रैंडम वाला और फर्स्ट हो गया मैडम.
You are not audible, Rajkumar.
हेलो.
हाँ जी.
हाँ वो मैडम दूसरा वाला हो गया और फर्स्ट वाला हो गया. और फर्स्ट वाले का दूसरा मेथड था ना, वो नहीं हुआ मैडम.
That is only my question, that when I'm asking you that you are facing a problem at that time, you guys are not saying anything. But whenever I'm saying that you need to share your screen at that time only, there are the problems. Is it so? Huh? ये क्यों भाई? What about Shubh?
Yes, ma'am, done.
What done? You just came back after around 15-20 minutes. Where you?
No, ma'am, I was there. I was totally here.
You were totally here. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. All 3 programs done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next time I'll see, huh?
Sure.
Yeah. What about you, Viraj?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
What yes, ma'am? I'm not taking attendance. With your programs or not?
Yeah, I know. Just the random dot function I did. The first is
Yeah. Okay, fine. No problem. But next time I'll see this programs, because I'm already showing you the logic. I mean, fill in the blanks kind of things you need to do, but that thing also you are not able to do. That is only the problem. I'm giving you integer choice that you need to write. After that choice, you have to make one switch case and you need to write all the cases, and that's it. The program is over. Now, should I write each and every line? Then why you are not able to do this program by your own even? Fine, no problem. Please write down your attendance, and whosoever has not replied me in the chat, for them I won't mark the attendance. So after that, don't tell me that, madam, I was there and you haven't marked me present. Yes, Harshit Dave. Still I'm taking your name. Write your number and you may leave the meet. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, there was an issue in running the program.
Yes. What is the
command? मैम मैंने कंपाइल तो हो जाता है प्रोग्राम, बट कभी कभी रन नहीं होता है. I don't know. Firstly, it worked.
Maybe you are not taking a class name and a file name exactly same. Maybe that is
नहीं
the
मैम,
case.
वो भी मैंने ट्राई किया, इसीलिए तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ तो fine. I'm just stopping this recording. You
Okay.
just stay here and just share me your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
You can sort it out. Darshan, you were not there. What kind of network issue? Come on now. I'll not take your attendance. Come on. You were not there throughout the lab. You may leave.